Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Here you go. Good girl. Good boy, Morris. Good boy. Martman. Hey, Marty. Here comes Ruby. One more dry but more cloudy day. Still looking plenty shiny to me. So Tux likes the salmon fish oil just fine. Hey, bud. Yeah, I guess today's record high is 82 and we're not expected to break that, but it is going to be in the mid to upper 70s again today. You're not hearing any complaints from me. Wait till it's May the 5th and it's 95 though, and then I'll complain. I seen you out here shining on Ruby. She looks all shined up.
Yeah, dusted her off really good, did all 4 wheels, yeah.
Wow, I didn't even drive her yesterday and you spruced her up for me.
Yeah, but she was sitting in the garage, got dusty.
Okay. Thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome.
Oh. Good morning, Ruby. I haven't been having too much trouble keeping the windshield clear, even without heat, but this morning it's a little problematic. I had to run the windshield wiper, which I really didn't want to do. I do have the beta this morning. I have, with my eyes wide open, looked at the visualization and seen that it's what it's supposed to be. So that's good. We are running a little late this morning, ETA 7:32, and we probably lose 2 minutes. So yeah, if somehow I could make up a few minutes this morning, that would be a plus. Probably not happening though. Not in morning traffic. The Lowe's here in Garner is ready for spring. Look at all of those pallets of mulch and gravel and stuff over there. Wow, there's several hundred pallets. Amazing. We're doing good on the road this morning, just tucked in, following the car in front of us. Haven't been delayed any further, so it's all good. Waiting to hear from Michelle if she can make shopping today. I was late in pinging her yesterday. Probably, just don't know for sure yet. Oh joy, there's a dump truck down there. I guess he's going straight, or he would have turned already. I don't think there's anyone in front of him. I don't think you can see super well, but you know, they came and they cleared this lot. Well, I'm going to say they started clearing the lot, but they didn't do a very thorough job. I mean, yes, the building's gone, but the whole cleanup, not so much. Well, a quick glance at TeslaModelXJourney this morning. The only thing I saw that stood out to me was just a reminder that in order to qualify for the charging infrastructure money, there's a stipulation that I guess it be the CCS charger, which is no surprise. The article also pointed out that Tesla has not agreed to switch to the CCS charger yet. And I guess my only comment on that is I hope they hold out a little bit longer, because I don't think the CCS charger going down forward is better for charging. So I'll just leave that there. I hope they hold out a little bit. I know we've got some cars caught in the trap of, you know, having the different, wrong, right, however you want to think about it, plug. And, but as I said a few times, I'm working at IBM on software development, getting trapped down a decision path because of a prior decision, when it's not the right one going forward, or causes more work or whatever, it you know, it just doesn't always work out. So sometimes you just got to bite the bullet and fix things and then start back on the forward path. So I don't know. I mean, it's a one-handed operation, so I think the Tesla charger is better for American Disabilities Act kind of concerns. It works. It's not clunky. There's just a lot of things to love about it. So Tesla wants to hold out a little bit longer. I'm good with that. You know, and if they do decide, the government, to allow NCAS or any of these other things, you know, there's going to have to be a carefully crafted message. The kind of thing Tesla's not super good at, as to why that's going to be, I guess, allowed now. So watch this space for how that's going to all sort out. I did read again something last night or this morning about Tesla saying it's going to double the size of the supercharger network by the end of 2024. So whatever I read yesterday in the one spot wasn't a mistake. I know where it was. It was on Twitter, and it was from Tesla Supercharging, which I now follow because they talk about the new superchargers opening, and I want to follow and show support for all of the Tesla channels. And so if they said it there, they mean it. So I guess we're going to be seeing so many reports of new superchargers that we're going to have trouble keeping up, because there are a lot out there. The guys that now, you know, will be even busier than they are now. Yeah. Don and I still one of favorites in the car. So when you've got 4 or 5 to choose from, which is happening rather quickly now in a given locale, that you can, you know, have a preferred one. Not to say that you wouldn't go to the other ones, but a preferred location. You know, Kyle's going to put in all the preferred ones that are at a Starbucks and don't suck, right? It's 250 kilowatts. Is he going to go to the one with a Starbucks near it or not, right? If Johnny were picking superchargers, it would be all the ones with like a Chick-fil-A near it or not, or maybe Starbucks. You know what I'm saying, though. Everybody's got preferences. Don wants all the ones that are at Sheetz if he can help it. You know, 24-hour restrooms, always open. There are some options in there, or things to get. He likes the unsweetened flavored tea, peach tea. Something like that. So I mean, we've all got our preferences, right? So, and when there's more than one to choose from, then the preferences are going to start to matter. So let's get that in the cars sooner than later, so we can have our preference. So Michelle says she is more than ready to go shopping today. So that is excellent news. I am on time to get home, 8:35-ish. That's good time for a day when I've got to turn around and head back out. It's 59 out there now, according to Ruby. It is not cold. Still long sleeves for me, but not cold. I won't be bundling up super on the walk this morning, or I'll be sweating. Gasp. Who would want to sweat when they exercise? And we're off. I guess it wasn't quite shorts weather, huh?
Yeah, I reconsider. Probably would have wore shorts if I'd had a little bit more time this morning.
Yeah, or if the sun had been just a little stronger. Well, it's not mow grass Monday, it's mow grass Thursday, and there's 3 mowers out here this morning, and it is loud. It feels like spring, and what do you got to do in the spring? You got to mow the grass. You doing a hit today?
It's gonna rain tomorrow. Normally I would just do the hit tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow morning. Is the prime rain.
All right, well, I'm doing my part. I've got your weight. I got your weight on my shoulder. You go do your part. Hello, hello.
Morning.
Good morning. Oh, it says pink.
Yep, got it here.
Way cool. Do we need that?
Yes.
Yes. We've been in the store, you know, a whole minute. Way cool. Aw, super cute kitty cats. I love chocolate, but it makes my clothes shrink. I'm really good at spending your money. There's that, and then there's a Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It looks leather bound. Who knows if it's vinyl or leather, but yeah. So those are definitely, I'm just helping you out today, just, you know, helping. I found a
Sean
friend.
says thank you.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, I found a friend loves squirrels, and I've got 2 squirrel signs. And then I found a couple of really nice decorated candy cane and snowman Christmas soaps. $1 a piece. You know, those soaps are like $6 if you buy them someplace. I think I'd like them this coming season. Yes, we broke out into tune. Billie Holiday. There's Barbara Streisand. And they put some stuff back in the fabric bin. They're always rearranging, building, making look better. They've organized the bed frames this week. Another week, another Grogu. That one's particularly cute. Still looking for UNCC stuff, but they've got Clemson today. And of course, I always have NC State. Just a ton still of winter jackets. They're going to have to clearance some because they can't store them till next year. We should send some up someplace where it's really cold and they need more good warm jackets at reasonable prices, because we just don't need that many here. But this is $20, but it's John Deere and it's quilted, and boy, it's a nice jacket. I might have to figure out some of it later. Michelle and I get the I look like I'm 25 part.
That's all I care about.
I feel like I think 13 and I act, I'll have to look it up. But Don, he can figure it out. Absolutely going home. It was another country music loud shopping day. It just makes it really hard to film, and it's, yeah, I'm just biting my lip now. I love them in there though, I do, but yeah, no music or much lower music is mainly, but we got some good stuff. Michelle almost brought home a knight in shining armor, like a life-size thing, but she passed, but you know, if it sits there for a week or two, never say never. Right, especially.
I could see myself putting a Scooby-Doo face in there.
Right. Oh my God, yes, that would be so cool. It definitely belongs in your foyer. Are you sure you don't need to go back and get it?
Oh no, I better not.
Okay. Hello.
Oh, I was about to take a picture.
I saw you run back inside, and I'm like, I swear I gave her phone back. That is too cool. He had to be in your foyer, honey. There's just no way that he could not be in your foyer. I'm glad you went back. You would have regretted not getting that. In 10 more years, we'd be shopping here, and you would not have spotted him again. I love it. He's even nicer than I thought he was. And he doesn't weigh 300 pounds, so that's a plus, too.
Oh, I love it. Scooby head could be fit in there.
Oh, my God. It's perfect.
Put a skull in there.
It's perfect. I've got Johnny now, and we're headed back to Fuquay. I don't think that cloud's actually going to drop rain right now, but it has obviously clouded up a bit. Michelle did pass on some Valentine's Day goodies to us and us to her as well, and so that was nice. I had a brief nap at St. Monica's, like a little 5-minute shut-eye. Never a bad thing in the middle of the afternoon. Helped me get back across town nice and alert. And that's about it. I saw Amazon delivered a couple things to the house. Johnny had some robot parts coming, so that's cool. Oh, it's my Valentine's Day from Michelle. The card is a musical card. Oh, flip. Johnny's was musical. Mine has kitties. It's hard with one hand, but oh my goodness, they're so cute. Someone like you deserves a truly adorable day. Got you this just because. Sending you warm fuzzies. Aw, you're cute as a kitten. You gonna get in trouble. Hi, Stripe. Thank you for not taking him out. He was being rude. There was an Anna Lee. Let me go add him to the curio cabinet with the other guys. Aw, and he's sending me hugs. Well, there were several really nice gifts, and in particular, this cat pendant. Wow, that's very pretty. Nighttime. Hi. You two. You guys think I got food for you or something? So I hear there's some robot stuff happening out here.
There will be.
Yeah, so what are we doing today?
We're going to be setting up the wiring harness. So basically, the way these robots work is they have a switch on the battery line.
Yeah.
Here. So this is a switch. You
Uh-huh.
insert like one screwdriver in to turn the switch on. So, but the thing is that makes wiring. So we have to wire up the robot, and since this is a custom robot, we have to do all the wiring ourselves. So
And this is the test body,
yes.
the prototype body.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So yep.
Okay, well, way cool. They got out the soldering iron and
This is the receiver, I think.
This is the weapon ESC. So this is planned to go like here-ish.
now the fun thing about this robot is what's the max weight?
150 grams.
Right, it's not much. Not much. While the guys have been doing guy stuff in the garage, I made meatballs and I'm cooking bacon. I got the second set of 2 cookie sheets in the oven now. I'm sure Don will be in a minute to enjoy a piece of bacon. I know I'm going to. So my Helleborus is out and blooming and looking really good. And Don's doing something under the carport, I don't know what. And my Andromeda, for the first time since we planted it, is doing good. Yay! I'm looking, Donnie. Is this where my fancy button is?
Yeah, there it is. Let there be light.
Wow, watch out behind you. We'll have a cat. We came down here to get fertilizer. We're supposed to have rain tomorrow and we're late on getting stuff fertilized. Tux helped me fertilize the camellias and the rhododendrons. Unfortunately, I only had about half of what I needed. So I got to get another bag and then walk well, I walked the whole yard and I pulled leaves and sweet gumballs and branches out of stuff. But I got to walk the yard again and fertilize the half that I didn't do after I buy some more. Don went around with the deciduous tree fertilizer and did all the Japanese maples, and you got to use your unicycle out to the street. I had to walk it. Supposed to rain tomorrow morning, so we fertilize so that it would get soaked in with the rain.